Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.